Madonna wieder als Drax. Today I will show the development of the dragons. So Pixelmondo is doing it from season 2 on, and so how are dragons done in 3D? So that means modeling, texturing, rigging, animation, compositing from start till end. So to see what's behind the stage, if you want so.